Hey Bellaras, welcome back to your ultimate destination for natural skincare hacks. Are you ready to take control of your wrinkles and fine lines no matter your age? If you've been looking for a natural solution to firm and rejuvenate your skin, this video is for you. Whether you're noticing the first signs of aging or dealing with deeper wrinkles that have been with you for ages, I've got the perfect remedy. Today, we're making a super effective DIY mask that works like natural Botox. It's simple, affordable, and delivers amazing results. With just 2 ingredients, you can tighten and smooth your skin in no time. Stick around because I will also share some pro tips to get the most out of it. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss any of my weekly skincare tips. Let's get glowing! Here's how to whip up this powerful DIY wrinkles mask. Crack 1 egg and separate the white into a clean bowl. Egg white is a natural skin tightener. It firms your skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines, and gives you that smooth, youthful look. Whip the egg white gently until it's slightly frothy. Then, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and mix well until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. Cornstarch helps absorb excess oil, smooths skin texture, and enhances the lifting effect of the egg white. These 2 ingredients create a mask that feels like a natural facelift, without the expensive treatments or chemicals. Apply the mask evenly to your clean face, focusing on areas with wrinkles like the forehead, around the eyes and mouth. Leave it on for 25 to 30 minutes or until it's completely dry. You will feel the mask tightening as it dries. That's the magic happening. Once dry, rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Here are some quick tips to make sure you get the most out of this mask. Always apply it to a clean face for maximum absorption. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for noticeable improvement and follow up with a hydrating moisturizer to lock in the benefits. And that's it, Bellaras, a simple 2 ingredient mask that works like natural Botox to tighten, firm, and smooth your skin. If you're looking for an affordable and effective way to reduce wrinkles, this is your new best friend. Have you tried a DIY mask like this before? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and results. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural skincare hacks every week. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay glowing. Bye!